report writing. Now report writing is something which you have to describe the event which has occurred in your school or in your building or anywhere. So there is a format of writing report. Before that, there are two types of report writing. One is for good event and one is for bad event. So first we'll deal with the good events. Now good events like if something is organized in the school like annual function, sports day, then environment day, something related to like good happy programs, that is called good report writing. And for bad purposes like if any accident occurs somewhere, that is for bad reporting. Okay, so we are going with first we'll do with good report writing format. Now first of all, very much important, we have to write the heading. Okay, first of all you have to write the heading at the middle. Remember this, without heading, if heading is not there in your report, you might lose 1 marks for that. So you have to write heading. Then next is this by reporter. If in your question if the name of reporter is mentioned, so you have to write by XYZ, whoever the person is mentioned in the question. Otherwise, keep in mind if the reporter name is not mentioned in the question, you don't need to write the reporter. Okay. So if the reporter name is mentioned, that time only below the heading you will write the name of reporter. Then leave one line. Then you have to write place and date. We'll do the example later. First pay attention over here. So you have to do, after leaving one line, you have to write the place and date in full form. Okay. Then leave one line and you'll start with your paragraph 1. No need of leaving two finger space. You have to directly start with the left alignment of the page. So first you will cover the event, then place, then date, then venue. For example, if it is in school, then where exactly in school, in auditorium or as in playground. So this we'll discuss over here. Then we have to mention the time and who all people were present at that event. Okay. So in that people you have to come your sir, teachers, chief guest. Very much important. You have to mention the chief guest. For example, if it is environment day, so you can mention the chief guest or mayor of that related area. If it is sports day, so you can mention the chief guest like कोई भी आ सकता है, जैसे एम एस धोनी को ले लो, कोई क्रिकेटर को ले लो, कोई ऐसे कुछ भी डाल देना, ये स्कूल्स वगैरह ये सब इनवाइट करते हैं चीफ गेस्ट को. देन पैराग्राफ 2 में यू हैव टू राइट द डिटेल्स of the event program, how it was organized, not in much detail, but you have to write a little bit one liner for each and every event. Okay. Then paragraph 3, you have to leave each line for every paragraph. Okay. Then paragraph 3 you have to conclude it like the chief guest praised the students, the program, it was very nicely organized, then how it appreciated the teachers' effort and all you have to do. Then at the end, in the same paragraph, you have to add this line. For every happy event, you have to add this line. It was a very successful event. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this format. I'll explain you one example. For example, your school has organized an event on Environment Day. So how you are going to write? You have to write a heading which is very attractive. For example, I have written over here and heading should be in between. Environment Day celebrated with zeal. Okay. Then, if the reporter name is mentioned in the question, then only you will write by XYZ, whoever the reporter has written the report. If it is not mentioned in the question, you don't need to write this. Okay. So this is optional. Then you have to leave one line, and NOS means name of the school. Which school has organized this event? You have to write the name of the school. For example, Little Flower English High School. Then comma, very much important, comma, then date in full form. Okay. Then leave one line, name of the event. You will start the paragraph with the name of event, this one. Okay. Whatever the event it might be, sports day, annual day, environment day, yoga day, whatever the event is there, write the name of the event over here. For example, environment day was organized by again the name of school. Okay. Again, name of school will come over here. On. Here you have to write the date. Okay, here you have to mention the name of school, and then you have to mention date. On. Okay, with great zeal at. Now here in this at, you have to mention the venue. For example, at auditorium, or else if it is related to sports day, so you will write here, change the article, this articles and all according to that venue. For example, it is on ground, so you have to mention it on ground. Okay, on school playground. It is in auditorium, you have to mention at auditorium. Then annual function, so annual function का भी कुछ अलग हॉल वगैरह रहता है. So you have to mention the venue according to the event. It was started from. Here you have to mention time. Okay, it was started from, for example, 9 a.m. and lasted till. Take for example 4 p.m. Okay, so here it is clear. You have to mention time over here. Then who all were there in this event? So you have to write many students participated in it. Then main thing over here, name of chief guest. Obviously chief guest might be invited, because no event is without chief guest. If chief guest is not there, even principal becomes the chief guest of the event. So you have to write the name of chief guest over here. कुछ भी नाम लिखो, कौन देखने आ रहा है, कौन पढ़ने आ रहा है, इतना नाम. तो you can write any name. If it is related to sports, you can mention a cricketer's name, or any annual day you can mention the mayor name. जो भी है, write it here. Name of chief guest with the Mr. Mrs. Miss, जो भी रहेगा उनका नाम के आगे you have to write the name of the chief guest. For example, Mr. XYZ was invited as a chief guest. Okay, then here completes your paragraph 1. Paragraph 2, you have to write the detail of the programs and event. Many events such as, what all events could cover in this environment day. For example, it could be quiz, it could be poster making competition, it could be tree planting competition, it could be debate, anything it could be. So you have to mention 3 to 4 events on that, and then you have to give little bit one-liner about each and every event. For example, standard first, participated in poster making competition. Then like that way you have to cover it in just 4 to 5 lines. Okay, not more than that. So then next, we will come to conclusion. The chief guest highly praised the performances of the students. Then here I have left the blank, because you have to avoid as much as possible. You have to avoid the pronouns he, she, we. ये सब जितना हो सके avoid करो. So here you cannot again, if you want to mention chief guest, the word again you can mention it. Otherwise you have to write the name of the chief guest, whoever it is, Mr. XYZ. Okay. So avoid using he or she. Mention the name over here, whoever he will be. Just mention it, Mr. XYZ. That means this chief guest only. So Mr. XYZ appreciated the support, hard work or efforts of the teachers and the students. Then this one in yellow one, obviously his chief guest he was invited, so he might have given some speech also. So in that words of his speech, you have to choose one important line. For example, addressing, remember this, ये yellow वाला है, ये जो याद करके रखो, ये memorize it. You can put it in any happy event. Okay. So addressing the gathering on the occasion, the chief guest appealed that जो भी उधर प्रेजेंट रहेगा, अपील दी ऑडियंस और टीचर और स्टूडेंट्स. अपील दी ऑडियंस, टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट. क्या अपील किया उसने? इसके जो स्पीच में एक लाइन ऐसा चूज करना है जो मैसेज कन्वे करता है. तो ही अपील द स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स और द ऑडियंस दैट यू शुड अडॉप्ट the green way of living. If it is related to sports day, so you have to write that appeal the students, audience or teachers to participate more in the sports competition. If it is annual day, so mention accordingly the message for the annual day purpose. Okay. So by having this line, you can put it in every event, and you have to change the message over here according to the event. Then at the end, the winners were given the certificates. It was very successful event. बस इतना ही. Okay, understood? Now, very much important over here points to remember that report should be in past tense only because event has already happened and you are reporting after the event. So it should be in past tense and simple language. You have to use simple language, no complex sentences. Okay, and avoid using pronoun. Okay, avoid using pronoun as much as possible. Try to mention the heading of the person like chief guest, mayor, inspector, whoever will be there, and try to mention the name with the Mr. Miss or Mrs. whatever the status of his or her will be. So try to mention in this way. So I hope you have understood this much. So this was all about happy event. Okay, now we'll look for bad event reporting. Okay, so next we'll do about if you have to do reporting of any bad incident. So what you have to do, you have to follow the same format but slightly changes in the sentences. For example, heading you have to give massive truck accident, like that way you have to give. Then where it took place, you have to mention the place, like any name of the highway you take it, ABC highway, whatever the name of highway it is. Then mention the date in full form. Now the first sentence will be a road accident took place between the vehicle. You have to mention the vehicle over here, between what it is, like between truck or car, whatever it is, you have to mention it over here. And then near में you have to write place, okay, where it was happened. Then on में you will write date in full form. Around you have to mention the time over here, okay, around 2 p.m. in morning or evening, whatever it is. 2 p.m. in afternoon, if it is morning then write 10 a.m. like that way. Now you have to mention the people, the driver of the truck, or else you have to write it accordingly. The rider of the truck was injured, or you can say died on the spot, or else the passengers got injured. Okay, like that way you have to write. Passenger of what? Passenger of bus. If it is taking place between a truck or a bus, you have to mention it like that way. Okay, and mention the vehicle over here. Like the driver of the truck died on the spot, the passenger in the bus got injured. So like that way you have to write over here. So you have to change this as people or person accordingly. Okay. Then next paragraph, the people who witnessed the accident said what they said. Now here you have to write the history, how it took place. For example, the driver was drunk or the car was in full speed, he did not apply the brake, something like that you have to describe in one line only. Then the injured, if it is one person, so you have to write about one person. If it is people, you have to mention people. The injured people, if it is person, use was, and if it is more than one, use where. Okay. The injured person was taken to the nearby, mention the name of hospital, nearby hospital. Okay. Then last, concluding, the mayor of or any member of that area has announced to give or provide medicinal facility, or else he also provide money to the family of the injured people. So like that way you have to form this statement. Okay, so I hope you understood. The mayor has announced to give money to the family, or else he has announced to provide the medicinal facility to the injured people or the person. So I hope you understood, and you have to change the statement according to the event. If it is happy event, you will use the word organized, and if it is bad event, you have to write like this: took place between. Okay, took place or occurred. Okay. In this bad, you don't have to write the word organized. Accident was not organized, not planned. Okay, it was happened by the accident. So you have to mention it like this way: a road accident took place, or a landslide took place. In this way, you have to write. I hope you understood this report writing, and you have to keep in mind you have to write in past tense, simple language, and avoid using pronouns. Okay, avoid using pronouns. And I hope you will cover this all detail over here. And by the time, take care. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.